this Christmas stuff.
So guys, Music. Today we'll be checking out a new level. I think I don't know. I think it's a new level because I just I just saw like the blue thing on where something gets updated and probably could be level 13. I don't know. But yeah, let's read the announcements. New level. Oh my God, there's a new level and stuff. Right. Okay, level 13.
Play a game
Make eyeball stew. Well, looks like that's the monster.
Hi, Black. Yep, Black. Black. Hey, go over there. Eyeball. Hey, sir.
So it looks like he's frozen right now.
Sir.
Yo guys, he's frozen.
Where are the eyeballs at?
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! No. So how many?
I've played this level. I played this level 3 times, and this is my first time playing.
I just figured out there's a new level, so I don't know where the eyeballs are.
Hi guys, I got an eyeball. You don't see it, I don't think, but I got one.
Imagine there's one in the cart over there, bro. Just imagine, dude. Just imagine. Well, looks like I was correct. Now I need to find the stew place.
Eyeball.
Hey, can someone show me where the stew place is?
I found the eyeball in the cart.
Where's the stew place?
Wait, where's all the eyeballs?
It's over here.
The monster's a big eyeball. Where's an eyeball? Oh my God. Oh, that's dirt. No, this way, this way.
Oh, here it is.
That way?
Oh.
The eyeball? How many eyeballs?
Oh, another eyeball here. Let's change it.
Oh, there's an eyeball. I don't have any eyeballs, guys. I don't have any eyeballs.
Something
Where are the eyeballs?
I don't know how much.
Guys, where are all the eyeballs? Where are the eyeballs? One eyeball. I already when the monsters
I died.
The giant rock.
When I'm enjoying the summer tea. Zoink, zoink. Is there anything here? Oh God, it's a capybara. Nice. What a capybara, guys. Oh, there's an eyeball here. Nice. I saw something white and I assumed I thought it was an eyeball. Let's go back to the street. Oh God.
Hey guys, hello. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Read it. And I'm recording right now.
Oh, hey, Snowy.
Go, go, go! Run as fast as you can. Run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run. Yeah!
But how you find all? Can someone help me find the eyeball? Liars, he's not even there. I only have one eyeball.
I got 3.
Berries run, berries run.
Run.
Wow, he's not even here. I know. I'm kind of scared. It's actually my first time even playing this.
Hey, what's up?
Level.
Hey, what's up?
This is my first time in this level. And
Me too.
Oh no!
have you guys seen the monster yet?
Swimming. I found 3 eyeballs all by myself for no reason.
And I just saw there's a level 13 out. I ran.
Oh, look, there's an eyeball here.
There's an eyeball. Where? There's an eyeball. We can only get one eyeball at a time.
Yeah, we can only. I think
we can only get one eyeball at a time.
Okay, where do we
Yeah.
bring it to?
I mean, let's sit down. Here we go.
Eyeball the monster. Go put the eyeball in.
Yeah, I did.
Oh
my God!
Fuck! What the fuck? Hello guys. Hello guys. That is actually really cool.
That's a big eyeball. That wants us to make stew.
Not it also wasn't scary for the first time. Oh, okay. We have it.
Yo.
Put that shit in. Smash.
No.
Either ass.
Posters. Damn, there's more.
Well, if you but have the jump
Why y'all running?
Well, the jump scare isn't that creative.
Part. Think of more than that side.
Not very good.
So we already found one there, guys. So
Yo, what's up, Black? How you doing?
what's up, man? You wanna get a shout out on my video?
This level is actually kind of scary.
Oh look, I won.
I might low-key... Oh, thanks. Nice job, bro.
This is my first time playing, so I really don't know.
I might just low-key stick to level 12. It feels a bit like...
Bro, this is level 13, Goofy.
I know, I'm saying I might just stick to level 12 because this is level 13. It feels kind of complicated.
You won. Maybe any other 2 or 1 more. I don't know how much. I wasn't counting. I bet it's like 7 or 6 eyeballs that we
My
need to
older
put.
brother is 6, and my older brother is 14, and my younger brother is 6. My oldest brother is
What?
21.
Nothing there.
21? 21? Yes. My sister's the monster. Okay, we gotta go, guys. I don't know, man.
In level 5, if you press every single button twice and jump up at the start, you can enter the secret elf lair. The secret elf lair is some horrible stuff that's happened in it, but it's pretty fun if you know what you're doing.
Let's go now. Let's go there. Oh, what the eyeball monster's over there? So that's a good thing for us.
See how close I was.
Anything here, I guess. What is it? Ooh, eyeball. Hey, this could be the last one, or probably one more, or 6th one, or something. I don't know.
Guys, I'm back. I got killed because you guys killed yourself. Run, run.
Hey there, eyeball monster. Oh God!
Hey, you! Wanna help me get some revenge?
5 a.m. I'm gonna go to bed. See ya, bro.
I got you.
I think that's it. So, guess I'll see y'all in the mirror. Alright, guys. So, looks like that was all for level 13.
But it's the new hat.
We learned that a big giant eyeball came out.
Someone said that was the
With
new
the
hat.
Goofy House stew. Broke the door. And yeah. Oh well. The monster didn't eat it. I thought he was gonna eat it or something. But we locked a new pet, a cosmetic. What's it? Oh, is it here? No, that's the horrible. Oh, there it is, right there. Ooh.
Wait, what is this?
Capybara. Let's see.
Come on
Oh
out.
my gosh, capybara. Well, no, that is all for today, guys. We got one new cosmetic, and we finally got level 13.
Hold on, let me
I
text
might-
your mom real quick.
This is weird because I haven't done a big scary video, and I'm just doing this right now. So I might do maybe like a speed run or like full game. Yeah, stay tuned for that when I do that.
Okay, Elise.
So, bye.